Welcome to the Random Forex Trader, episode 19. Let's go to the charts. Here you can see the trade terminal. All trades have closed out. I did have to do a recovery, and I also did a trailing stop. So let's look at the account history. I did a trailing stop here as a test, a 10 pip trailing stop as a test on EuroCAD, and it went up, and then the trailing stop took profit at $3.83. And then we had the CADCHF trade, which was hung. It went ultimately into minus $140.84 in a loss. And then, whether you're brand new to Forex or you're still struggling with which trading strategy actually works, the good news is you never have to manually trade Forex ever again. No, this is not the latest and greatest robot or expert advisor. This service sends you profitable trades daily, and you have full control of how many trades you receive and how much you bid. The take profit and drawdown recovery are all built in. For the ultimate in Forex trading automation, visit forexbits.com today. And then you can see I did an additional hedge trade, which went $37.87 in profit. And then I did one additional buy trade because that's what the trend was doing. I made $111.06. It's just about over $4 in profit total. So zero net losses there. And what did I do in terms of recovery? You can see on the first CADCHF, which was the $140 drawdown trade, I then did an equal and opposite buy on the next one, which again went $37.87 in profit. And then finally I did an additional buy because the trend was going that way at a 0.5 lot size and made $111. So the initial trade and the second trade was a hedge, a sell at $1, a buy at $1 or at 0.1, and then finally a buy at 0.5. which got me out of the trade. Typically, I don't try to take a lot of profits on those recovery trades. I just ultimately get out of the trade at a net profit. So we are at 0 trades right now. I'm going to go ahead and generate the next random trade. I'm going to copy my trade list, all 28 pairs plus US 30, and we'll go to the randomizer. We'll go to list randomizer at randomizer.org, paste the list here, randomize, and our very next trade is AUD NZD sell. AUD NZD sell. Let's go to the charts. So here's AUD NZD. Let me put that onto the active chart, and we said sell, so I'm going to hit sell. We are now in an AUD NZD sell trade. Currently looking at the 15-minute chart, and the trend is coming down. Let's take a look at a higher time frame. The 4-hour is actually on the way up, however, currently in a pullback. So it's kind of a 50-50 type thing here. I'm going to go ahead and set a take profit on the 15-minute chart here, right at the bottom of the current structure. So I'm just going to drag it down to the bottom of these candles. And let's see what that would be. It's probably not a whole lot of profit. Yeah, it's only $2.63 profit. I'm going to go for a little bit more profit than that. So let's zoom out, and we're going to drag this down even farther. Let's drag it down to the bottom of this really long candle buy push over here to the left, because a lot of times price has to come back to that huge push. So I'm going to leave it down there, and if we take profit at that level, it will be $16 in this case. I'll leave it there, and we'll see how this random trade plays out, and I'll see you in the next episode.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now. Thanks for watching this episode of the Random Forex Trade series. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. Visit forexbits.com for more. I'll see you in the next episode.